Hello, welcome to Exciting Documentation with Dan. I am going to take you through a short series of videos getting you started on eHive and sorting out all of the different fields which can be a bit complicated and get you ready to go. So this video is basically just the beginning to get us up to having a record open, ready to start. I'm going to share screen with you. This one. And as if you have your computer open already, and this is what you need before you start. So you need to be into eHive. This is just the landing page for eHive.com where you will come to begin with, unless you're already signed in. So you will sign in. There's me signing in, and that will get us to our landing page. Before we start, we also need to have OneDrive open. So on Grantown Museum collections, and then into pending catalog to find museum catalogs. Oh, we want that one. To find the folders of photographs and the Excel spreadsheets. You might have your own folders within this. There's Elspeth's there, so you'd be organized to just have your own. If not, we're finding a Excel spreadsheet to work on. I'm using this one. They're all designated by locations. So location shelf B2, opening up. Here we have the spreadsheet with all the basic information. It doesn't have the descriptions, etc. So you will need photographs or the objects themselves to do that. And let's find the appropriate folder, location B2. There it is for photographs. For these numbers here, the end 4 digits 2065, they correspond with these numbers here. So 2065 there, stoneware bottle, 2065 stoneware bottle. I'm going to look at the next one, and this one here. 200110 is the number, and 2067 is the photograph number. This bottle here is what we're going to work on. And into OneDrive, into eHive rather. So this is Grantown Museum page where you can get in. You'll see there is previous records that we've been working on, the tags, which we'll talk about later, all the usual settings, etc. Is the public profile, which is what tells about us. And then records. We want to, you see we've got 222 on already, which is pretty good. Create a new record. So almost all of what we'll be doing is history records. There will be a little bit of archive records, potentially a little bit of art, but mainly all history. We'll not worry about natural science. Some things probably should come under there, but we'll consider that at a later date. So history record. Here we go. A picture will come up here once we upload it, and it has different fields. Most of what we're doing will be in these detail fields. Some in acquisition, which we'll talk about, how it's come into the collection, provenance, the person who's donated it, etc. Administration tends to be about loans, what's happening to the object right now if we have to go back and move stuff about. So we're concentrating mainly in these detail fields, core fields and public fields, but actually they repeat what's in here. And that's us ready to start. Go to next video.